Today I am going to solve a problem on SN2 prime reaction. You can find this problem in CS1 exam 2014 December. Here is the problem. When cyclopentadiene is treated with bromine, it gives A. When A is treated with excess of NN dimethylamine, it gives B. What is the structure of B? The problem, it is mentioned it is room temperature. The given options are here. First and second, NN dimethyl group, they are in 1,3 position. You can see here, they are in 1,3 position. The first one, they are trans. The second one, they are cis. In third and fourth, the amine groups, they are in 1,2 position, and in the third, they are trans, and the fourth, they are cis. Which one is correct? In order to solve this, you should know bromination results in trans product. So basically it is anti-addition. Second one, SN2 prime mechanism prefers anti-addition. Now let us go to the problem. When this compound is treated with one equivalent of bromine, it gives bromonium ion. This bromonium ion is opened up by Br minus to give the trans addition product. So the stereochemistry, it will be always trans. This is one product. Since there is one more double bond in conjugation to this bromonium ion, the Br minus can also attack here, and this bond falls here and opens up the ring. So that is another possibility. So what we get is product like this. So this is 1,2 addition product and this is 1,4 addition product. You should not count like this 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1,4 addition product. Which one is more preferred? This product, it is kinetic product. This one, it is thermodynamic product. We can get both products depending on the reaction condition. If you go for room temperature, you will get only kinetic product. If you go for high temperature, maybe around 60 to 100, you will get thermodynamic product, that is 1,4 addition product. Since in the problem they have mentioned room temperature, we have to consider this product only. When you add a nucleophile to this dibromo compound, it can undergo SN2 mechanism or SN2 prime mechanism. What is the difference between these two? In SN2 mechanism, the nucleophile attacks the carbon which has leaving group. So this is the leaving group. It is attached to this carbon. That carbon is attacked by nucleophile. In SN2 prime, the nucleophile attacks the third carbon. 1, 2, 3. This kind of SN2 prime is very well known with allelic system. In this case, the nucleophile attacks the sp2 carbon. In this system, SN2 prime is more preferred. So what we get is a product like this. But what will be the stereochemistry here? Whether it is thin line or thick line. The SN2 prime addition is anti-addition. So what we get is like this. You can see here, this Br and the nucleophile, they are trans. Even though this group is not there in the product, you have to compare this Br and this one. So the nucleophile attacks from the opposite direction of the leaving group. So that is what we call anti-addition. Now look at this molecule. Once again it is allyl bromide. So this also can undergo SN2 prime mechanism. Now since the leaving group it is thin line, the nucleophile should be thick line. Nucleophile attacks here from the direction opposite to this leaving group. That is like this. So what we get is 1,2 addition product, and the stereochemistry of these two nucleophile, that is N,N-dimethylamine, it is trans. Now let us go to the given options. The first and second, it is 1,3 addition product, that is not possible. Third and fourth, it is 1,2 addition product. The fourth one, it is cis product. We have seen the mechanism. Trans product is formed via SN2 prime mechanism. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.